Hello and thanks for joining me for another mindful, relaxing art video. This time I'm going to paint everyone's favourite, which is lavender. So easy to do these. All you need to remember is that they're not all one colour. There's different colours of lavender and pinks and blues and purples, so have fun creating your lavender. So welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're here for the first time. My name's Leigh, I'm from Australia, and I just love to create artful things. I'll let you know that this is an El Cheapo watercolour set from Temu. Costs less than 40 Australian dollars. The paintbrushes would be cheap ones from possibly something like a dollar store. Had them forever and a day, so I'm really not sure where they came from. The book is just a visual art diary, so it's nothing special, just drawing paper really. Now, as you can see, these are so easy to paint. It's basically just hold your brush up a little bit from the ferrule and loosely just wiggle it down the paper. So just dancing the brush around to give it a flowery shape. So starting off a bit thinner at the top, working out to the middle, and then thinning it down again as it gets towards the bottom. So I'm just adding in a couple of darker colours into this particular flower, and you'll see how I change the colours of the flowers as I go along. So enjoy this. If you're not going to try it, I hope that you just find the video relaxing to watch and that you will enjoy the lovely music of Scott Buckley. I hope you enjoyed that, and this little demonstration shows you how easy it is to paint these abstract flowers. So quite easily identified as lavender, but not really complicated in their design whatsoever. So anyone can do these ones. So have a go. If you post on social media, tag me, and I'll see you in a new video soon. So in the meantime, stay creative, and hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!